If you are wondering if we have IR Blaster available on OPPO Find X9, then the answer is yes. The IR Blaster is located at the top over here. As you can see here, we have the IR Blaster. And if you want to set up a remote control, then in that case, you just want to go to the app drawer and then look for IR remote option over here. We can press this plus button in the bottom right corner, and you can choose your device type. Then we can select the brand. We can also choose one of these popular options, or you can search over here by using the search field at the top. So let's say in my case, I'm going to choose Samsung. Now over here, we need to aim at the top of our phone where we have the IR Blaster at our device. And now we need to keep going through these options that you will have over here. So in this case, my TV is on, and we need to keep tapping on this button until we actually see that the phone actually did something that was intended to do. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.